everyone, welcome to another video of Anna Karina's vlogs. Do you want to speak English naturally and feel confident in everyday conversations? This video is packed with real life dialogues that will help you improve your listening skills, pronunciation, and vocabulary. We are going to dive into common everyday situations and learn how to use English confidently. Are you ready to get started? Let's do it. Imagine you're walking into a shop. Maybe you need to buy some groceries or you're looking for a new outfit. May I help you? This is a very common phrase used in English to offer assistance politely. Try saying it with me. May I help you? That's correct. Have you ever bumped into a friend and wondered where they have been? Where did you go? This phrase is perfect for asking about someone's recent whereabouts. Try it with me. Where did you go? We often ask about our friends and family's well-being, right? If you know someone who hasn't been feeling well, you can ask, have you seen the doctor? Remember to use a gentle and caring tone of voice when asking this question. Let's practice it together. Have you seen the doctor? That is correct. Conversations about work are pretty common, aren't they? When you meet someone new or you are getting to know someone better, you might ask, do you like your job? It's a great conversation starter and it shows that you're interested in their life. Give it a try. Do you like your job? Imagine you are at school or at the gym and you find something on the floor. You can ask, does this radio belong to you? This question is super useful for asking about ownership of an item. Repeat after me. Does this radio belong to you? Picture this. You are having a delicious meal with friends or family. You can offer choices by saying, what would you like for dessert? Try saying it with a smile. What would you like for dessert? We all need a little help sometimes, right? If you need to ask a friend for a favor, you can say, I wondered if you could buy me some pencils. Give it a go. I wondered if you could buy me some pencils. Sometimes we need to confirm ownership in a simple and direct way. You can simply ask, is it yours? This question is short, to the point, and avoids any confusion. Practice with me. Is it yours? Correct. When you're getting to know someone, it's natural to be curious about their profession, right? You can ask, what do you do? To find out about their occupation. It's a common question in social situations. Let's try it. What do you do? Great. Have you ever been in a store looking for something specific but couldn't find it? You can ask for directions by saying, can you show me where I can find toothpaste? This phrase is clear, polite, and gets straight to the point. Say it with me. Can you show me where I can find toothpaste? Very simple, isn't it? So there you have it. 10 real life dialogues that you can start using today to boost your confidence and fluency. The key to really owning them is to practice them out loud. Imagine yourself in these situations. Maybe role play with a friend or even just practice in front of the mirror. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future English lessons. Until next time, happy practicing.